guys, welcome to my Meltingskullface Halloween look. Today I'll be using the Meron 3D face gel to create this look. First I'll be using the Shape Tape just to prime my eyes. This is the makeup side. Then using the Brow by Benefit just to fill in my brows naturally like I normally do. Just blend that out. Next I'll be using a blending brush by Morphe and then Jaclyn Hill palette and choosing just a white neutral shade just to pat on top of that to set the concealer. Then I'm using a denser blending brush by Morphe again, just getting a crease colour and just blending that into my crease. Next I'm just using another blending brush to blend that out. Then I'll be using the Maybelline Drama Eye Gel just to make that liner, and the Morphe liner brush. So I'll start from the end to the front. I'll be using a smaller denser brush and getting the black just to smudge that into my crease. I'm blending that out. Then I'm using the Isla Enchanted lashes, the limited edition Halloween ones, and getting the Grandiose mascara just on top of that, and getting the black eyeshadow again and blending that underneath my lash line, lower lash line. Then I'm using a white pencil from Kiko and putting that in my waterline just to make my eyes pop a bit. I'm using the white liner again just to draw out the outline of where the makeup will drip. Using a white liner is easier, as you can, if you do mistakes, you can easily rub it out. Just like that. Next I'm using the NARS concealer just to conceal under my eye. Blending that. Then I've gone over it again to make it a bit, didn't like the shape I did, so I just made that one a bit higher. And then using the Giorgio Armani Silk Foundation, Luminous Silk Foundation, and just putting that in the area of where I won't be using the paint. So this side's quite easy, it's the skull part which I found the hardest. Some inspirations come from the Desi Perkins Meltingskullface look. I'm using the Meron Gypsy Shrine face palette, the limited edition one, and using the brush that comes with it, and using the black. I'm just going over the white line. Just doing the outline first, and then I'll be doing the nose. They just want to do it like a skull look, really. Obviously it does take time to do. Took me a while to do this. I'm not very good at doing skulls, but I thought I'd have a play. So with this part here, I do the outline darker and then just blend it with my finger. So I feel like with the finger it blends properly better. Just do that again, just keep repeating that. Again with fingers. I really like this Meron face paint with Gypsy Shrine. It smells so lovely as well, and it's just so easy to use. So you just use the activate it with water and just paint. It's really easy. You don't need a lot of water either. So keep doing that until you like the way it looks. But like I said, I found doing it with the fingers a lot easier. And it doesn't really matter if you make it a mistake or make it a bit messy, because it's just a Halloween look, at school look, and at this part it's only like melting anyway. When you put the 3D face gel on top, it doesn't matter if you make a mistake, because that will cover it. Feel like you need more colour, just keep going over it. Then I've done like little bits as well, like on top of them, so it looks like the skin's like, so it looks like it's got holes in it. It's breaking off. Filling the nose here and the mouth area, and keep blending it with that finger. Now I'm using a black liner, and I'm just gonna do the eye, the skull eye, but near your eye use a black liner because it can be a bit dangerous using the paint right next to your eye. I'm just going to keep colouring it in until I've got the eye shape that I want. And you can conceal your eyebrows out if you want to, but because my eyebrows are dark anyway, I thought I'd just go over my eyebrows. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you make a light mess. Then using the black face paint again, just go over it, see if any like missed any places on it, and just make it look a little bit deeper as well. So I've left the bottom of the eye out, so I'm going to use the white part there just to make it look a bit like a shadow. Now I'm using the white paint, just with the skull faces, just going over all that. Filling that gap with the white paint. First I use a big brush. I think the smaller brush is a bit easier to use. You can go into every detail a bit with it. With a big brush it was just going everywhere. And a bit on my eyebrows, so I'm just going back with that black. Now with the white paint again, I'm going to draw the outline of the skull's mouth. I find it easier with the white again, so like I said, if you make any mistakes you can just easily go over it. Fill all that in. I use a sponge on that part, but it would just be a bit easier. But it wasn't. I had to go back over with the brush. It just made it a bit patchy with the sponge that I used, so I preferred using the brush. But like I said, it is my first time ever doing like a skull like this. I have done one previously, but it wasn't very great. So yeah, it's just practice really. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake as well. Now just doing that with the black, the skull's mouth. And like how I blended it in before with the fingers, I'm going to do that again. Just blends it better. Towards the mouth, just blend it with your finger. Now back with the white, and I'm just going over that. I'm putting a bit of white in there to make it a little bit more like hollow, and blending it again with my finger. Now I'm drawing the teeth. I am really bad at drawing teeth, so bear with me. I just couldn't do it. I've looked at so many videos, and obviously the Desi Perkins video I've got this inspiration from, and just makes it look so easy, but I honestly can't do teeth. I've tried so many times, I can't do it. So it doesn't matter if it looks like messy. No one knows how it's meant to look. It's Halloween, so it doesn't matter. Fill it in with the black. Now putting a bit of white in there next to the mouth again, just to make it a little bit more hollow and blend it properly. And I'm using a blender brush and getting a neutral colour and just to blend it out and shade it on the edges. So do it all on the edges just to make it look a little bit pop more. And blend it. It just makes it a little bit more 3D when you do it around the edges. Even though I did find this look really hard, I did enjoy it, and hopefully I'll be doing some more as well. I'm thinking my next video should be a mermaid unicorn look, so watch out for that video. Blend it all the way around. Now I'm using the 3D face gel. So first I didn't warm it up properly, so it was so hard to use. So when you use that, I recommend you warm it up with boiling water. So I've done it now. All you need to do is drip it. Watch out, it goes everywhere, so make sure you have a towel underneath you or something. Obviously it's so easy to use as long as you hot it up properly with the boiling water, and you see that it went everywhere. And that's it really, just drip it onto your face and let it dry. Once it's dry it won't move. My hair was a bit of a mess that day. There, that's the final look. So obviously just let that dry, the face gel, and it looks like it's melting. I love this look. I think I might go for this look for Halloween. Also, this was my first attempt at doing it, so hopefully next time I do it is better. But yeah, so my inspiration was from the Desi Perkins video, what she did last year, and I just want to recreate that. See, it's all dry now. It's a fun look to do, and I hope you all try it and do it as well, and I hope you like it. I know it's not as the best as the Desi Perkins, but I thought I'd make it a bit easier. Thank you for watching, and give me a big thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you've got any other looks that you want me to do, please comment in the box below. Thank you. Bye.